I mean, look at this. This is boxes on boxes. My whole entire car. At least 100, probably more. And we got bins, all for free. So yesterday I had a pretty insane haul for my eBay business. I got a bunch of shipping supplies completely free. Hundreds of boxes I'd probably pay $300, $400, $500 for, but I didn't pay a single cent. I'm gonna share how I got that all today with you. So if you're just getting started on eBay, or you're pretty early on, or maybe you're selling anywhere between 50 to maybe 100 items a month, this is a great way to get shipping supplies completely for free. It'll lower your costs, it'll probably make things a lot more easier for you, and maybe make you a little less hesitant to start if you're early on. But yeah, boxes, tape, bubble wrap, mailers, everything that you use for shipping, the costs add up quickly. And where I am right now, just getting started again with my eBay business, this is a scalable solution for me. If you're somewhere selling between, 500, 1,000 items a month, this might not work unless you find the right deal. But there's plenty of offers like this waiting around for free. All you gotta know is where to look. So I'll put on the screen right here the original Facebook listing I saw on Marketplace for all these boxes and shipping supplies. I hopped on it probably 10 hours after it was posted. I contacted him. He didn't get back for like at least probably 12 hours or so. And he said the person that originally wanted them ended up bailing. So I came in right away, picked this all up from his storage unit. Like I said, hundreds of dollars in boxes and all kinds of shipping supplies that I would have paid out of pocket, but now I got it all completely free. So let's go through all of it. I also just picked up this sick POV camera. I've been wanting one forever just so I can show you guys like when I walk in the shops what I'm seeing, so I don't have to it's pretty annoying when I'm listing stuff on my phone to flip between recording and listing. So now I have something that can just record the whole time while I'm going through parts, finding comps, listing, pricing, doing all that stuff. All right, so we got a bunch of these containers, plastic containers that are going to be really good for storing smaller parts. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them here, and then I think I got 6 or 7 in the front as well. We got lids for all of them as well, and he also gave me a ton of shipping tape. I believe 36 rolls. This will last me a lifetime. And then let's see, more shipping tape. I think these are, thermal labels. I already got 1,000 of them, but he offered them, so I took them. These are more thermal labels. And now we got the boxes. So I gotta go through, there's a bunch of different sizes. These are 16 by 14 by 6. I think probably at least 4 or 5 different sizes. And yeah, what a deal. I mean, I literally just bought on Amazon yesterday shipping tape. I paid 30 bucks for, I think 10 rolls or so, maybe a little bit less. And then this came up and now I have 40 for free. So Facebook Marketplace is great for shipping supplies. If you want to put on notifications, then you can always be up to date on new listings. So as soon as something gets posted, you can hop right on it before someone else does. I haven't counted these yet, but we're probably looking at least 200 boxes. And these are gonna be great for smaller things. I don't think headlights are gonna fit in any of these, but plenty of interior parts. As you can see, have a ton of them here in the side of the car. And the backstory of these, they came from this guy's company had a storage unit where they stored all their shipping supplies, and the company sold canned tuna of all things. This was their shipping operation, and they ended up outsourcing everything. So now they just had to get rid of everything in the storage unit, which was all these boxes and bubble wrap and everything. So I got lucky. Oh, I forgot to show too, had hundreds and hundreds of these little bubble mailers. And I'd say most of the things I ship will not fit these, but worst case I can use them as stuffing in a box. Do what else we got? I think this is more bubble mailers. Yeah, so these are 2 or 3 inches wider than the other ones. I think I'll probably be able to use these for a decent amount of parts. Maybe even put 2 of them together like that, if it's something longer. Again, didn't pay a cent for them. Figured I'd take them anyway. And the last things here, more boxes, and then just a box of miscellaneous office supplies. I was like, yeah, sure, I'll take it. And then all this stuff. We'll go through and see if there's any good finds in here, but I saw a mouse and a headset, and I was like, you know what? Worst case, I can probably just flip it on eBay. Okay, so I went through, organized all the boxes, and also took inventory of every single thing that I got here. So let's run through it real quick. So we have 71 of the largest boxes here. These are 22 by 16 by 8. Probably gonna be the one that I use the most, I'm guessing. A lot of things I ship are larger. All right, next up, smaller ones, 16 by 14 by 6. There are 37 of these. Next size up, 16 by 14 by 8. These and the stack of 20. And then the last one, 22 of the 14 by 16 by 12. Added all that up and we get 165 boxes all here. Next up, plastic bins. He had so many more, probably at least 20, 30 more. I took as many as I could fit. There's 11 of them here. Came with the lids. They're nice because they're a bit transparent, so you can kind of see in them without having to open them. These will really help out with my SKUs and keeping things organized. Next, box of tape. 36 rolls here. Crazy. All for free. Don't even know how much this would cost me. Probably at least $100. Next, shipping labels. I think these are rolls of 250. So we got 1,000 here, 500 here, one more. So 1,750 rolls of thermal paper. I already have a stack of 1,000, so probably not gonna be using these anytime soon, but I'll keep them in the meantime. Then we got the bubble mailers. These are the larger ones here. I don't even know how many I picked up, probably at least a few hundred. There's some more here. These are the smaller ones. And then the miscellaneous box of things. So rubber bands, headset, probably not worth anything. Mouse, I don't know, maybe $15. But stapler, tape, thumbtacks, clips, paper clips, ink, that could be worth something. But yeah, it's really that simple. If you are a smaller store like me, maybe you're selling between 20 to 100 parts per month. So just keep your eye out on Facebook Marketplace. You can get notifications for shipping supplies, bubble wrap, all these kinds of keywords to look out for. And I'd say in most cases, the stuff is gonna be free, but sometimes people will want some money, but it will be an incredible deal compared to what you would pay online. And overall, sales have been kind of slow so far, slower than I expected. We sold 6 things this week. I think I have 104 listings now. We pretty much listed everything in that closet from the last video, except a bunch of the headlights really weren't worth it for me. So they can either hang on to them, repair them, use them on a car themselves, trash them, or they may even just give some of them to me for free. Yeah, we're at 100 listings right now. I gotta get up to at least 200, 300, 400, because right now I'm not really happy with shipping out 6 things. It's early on. The things that we're listing are pretty niche, so they're not getting that many views. I started promoting a bunch of the listings too to try and get sales going faster. But yeah, we'll see. I started with prices really high and then I worked my way down because we're not in a complete rush to get rid of everything. Now with all the boxes here too, I'll be more motivated to ship stuff out, and it's just another headache I don't have to worry about. So yeah, be on the lookout. The deals are out there, and let me know what you think. If you've ever run into deals like this, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully back with another video of listing and shipping stuff later this week.